What is your name?
My name is Evan.
What is this?
This is one white star.
Good. How many notebooks?
3 notebooks.
What are these?
This is
What can you do?
I can eat a bread every day.
I can eat bread.
Every day.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How's the weather?
It's raining.
Where is the bug?
Bird is by the bed.
Bag, okay. What do you want?
I want sandwich.
What do you like?
I like monkeys.
Okay, very good. Sorry.